The Super Bowl is a massive television event, and it is a marketing tool for America itself. I teach television studies modules and film studies modules where we learn about culture and how culture is political. We learn about how to read images and understand them as a business and also as the work that they're doing within a culture to tell us what's okay, what's not okay. In 2016, Colin Kaepernick started kneeling during the national anthem, protesting racial injustice and police violence in America. And the league got a really bad press for this. And so in 2019, they hired Jay-Z to produce the halftime shows going forward. This year, 2025, Jay-Z is still producing the show, and again, was attempting to be the sort of political image of what race in particular looks like in America at the moment. It is this moment where the league gets to market itself as inclusive and equitable. It's doing a better job under Jay-Z's leadership than it was doing before, but it still ultimately needs to speak to the widest audience possible. So I wonder what you think.